Hi students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss problem number 8. Prove that cos pi plus x into cos of minus x whole divided by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x equals cot square x. Take the letters cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x. Use ASTC rule here. Denominator is sin of pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta lies in ASTC rule. AST third quadrant tan and cot are positive, cos is negative. Then we get minus cos x. Cos of minus x fourth quadrant, it will become cos x divided by sin 180 minus theta, we get sin x, and here cos 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant, sin cosecant positive, cos negative, cos becomes sin, equals minus cos square x divided by minus sin square x, which is equal to, minus will get cancelled, we get cot square x RHS. Next question number 9. Prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x, that is 360 plus x, whole into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x, which is equal to, answer is 1. You have to prove that answer is equal to 1. Take the LHS. Cos 270 plus theta, that is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x whole into cot 3 pi by 2 is 270 minus x plus cot 360 plus theta. Here we can write cos 270 plus x, that is 270 plus x lies in fourth quadrant, ASTC, cos secant positive, cos is positive, cos becomes sin. We can write sin x into cos 360 plus theta. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta, that is cos x, into cot 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta third quadrant, ASTC, AST tan and cot are positive, then it will become tan x, plus here it is cot x, equals sin x into cos x whole into tan x. We can write sin x by cos x plus cot x, we can write cos x by sin x. We expand the bracket, multiply sin x cos x into sin x by cos x. We get cos x will get cancelled, sin square x, plus again you multiply this by cos x by sin x, then you get cos x will sin x will get cancelled, and we get cos square x, which is equal to 1 RHS. Okay. The 10th question is prove that sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 whole into x equal to cos x. Here LHS is sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x and cos of n plus 2 into x. Take A equals n plus 1 into x and b equals n plus 2 into x. Then we can write sin A cos B, sin A sin B, sin A sin B plus cos n plus 1 into x cos A cos B. This one we can write like this, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B, which is equal to cos of A is n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. That is equal to cos of nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. We get cos of nx will get cancelled, x minus 2x is minus x. Cos of minus x we can write cos x. Since cos minus theta is cos theta and sec of minus theta is sec theta, others are sin of minus theta minus sin theta, cos of minus theta plus cos theta, sec and cos are positive, other are negative. All of the t ratios are negative. Okay. If it is sin of minus theta, we write minus sin theta, tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Same way, cosec of minus theta, we get minus cosec theta, and cosec cosine tan cot of minus theta, we get minus cot theta. Only cos and sec are positive, since cos and sec are positive in the fourth quadrant. Okay. The next problem is question number 11. Prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equals, they have to prove root 2 sin x. Here the LHS is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. The next term is cos of A minus B, we write cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Here we know that cos 3 by 4 cos x plus and minus 10 will get cancelled. Then we get minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x, again minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x, which is equal to minus 2 times sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. We have to find the value of sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 equal to, you know that sin of pi minus pi by 4, which is equal to sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So that is sin pi by 4, we get 1 by root 2. Then you substitute minus 2 times 1 by root 2 into sin x. We get minus root 2 sin x. It's RHS. Okay, the next question is 12. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equals, we have to prove sin 2x into sin 10x. Here LHS is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. You can write a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. How to use the formula? Sin plus sin, sin minus sin. Sin plus sin is 2 sin cos and sin minus sin is 2 cos sin. 2 cos of sum divided by 2, that is 6x plus 4x is 10x by 2 is 5x, into sin of difference divided by 2, that's 2x by 2 is sin x, into 2 sin cos, 2 sin of sum divided by 2, that is 5x, into cos of difference divided by 2 is cos x, that is equal to, we rearrange the term, 2 here 2 sin x into cos x into 2 here sin 5x, interchanging these two terms, taking cos x into this bracket and cos 5x inside this bracket, then we get 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. We use an identity here, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. We can write sin 2 theta, and it will become sin 2x into sin 2 times 5x, we get sin 10x, which is the RHS. Okay, the next question is question number 13. Through that cos square 6x minus cos square 2x is equal to minus sin 4x sin 8x. Same procedure we can do this problem. What is LHS is cos square 6x minus cos square 2x. You can write a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. That is equal to cos x minus cos y minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. Adding and dividing by 2, we get 6x plus 2x is 8x by 2 is 4x into sin difference divided by 2, 4x by 2 is 2x. Cos plus cos is 2 cos cos, that is 2 cos 4x into cos 2x. Rearranging the terms, we get minus 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Here 2 cos 4x into sin 4x. Can write minus 2 sin x cos sin 2 theta, that is sin 2 times 2x, we get sin 4x. Here sin 2 theta 2 times 4x is sin 8x, which is RHS. Okay. Next problem we will do in our next module. Okay, thank you.